So Royal Caribbean just revealed the Hero of the Seas. And I'm not gonna lie, this ship looks incredible. And there's one thing on this ship I can't stop thinking about. And once you see it, you'll understand exactly where this is all heading. This wasn't a full press release. This was a targeted drop. Travel agents, creators, controlled rollout. And when a cruise line does this, it's usually for a reason. But what they show you first is what they want you to pay attention to. Now, just so we're clear, some of the visuals you're about to see are from Icon of the Seas, because Hero isn't built yet, but it gives you a really good idea of the scale and the layout we're talking about. So very first off, this is real. Hero of the Seas is happening, and this is the next evolution of the Icon class. And at first glance, it looks the same. But once you start looking closer, there are some really interesting things going on here. So let's start here. This Royal Railway concept, talk about a tongue twister. This Royal Railway concept. This is actually kind of cool. It's a full experience built around moving scenery, story-driven. This is the kind of thing that people talk about. Same thing with this Orleans-style supper, live music, multi-course dining. This feels more like something you're gonna find on land than you would on a cruise ship. And that's a big shift. But then there's this, the ultimate family treehouse. 3 levels, rooftop terrace, private whirlpool. And I gotta say, as a Gen Xer, this hits different. We grew up building tree houses in our backyard, throwing up some scrap wood, climbing up there like it was our own little world. And now you're telling me there's a luxury version of that on a cruise ship? Are you kidding me? This is wild. And yeah, it's gonna be all over social media. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course, YouTube. It also tells you something really important about where cruise ships are going. Now, this is where it also gets really interesting. Coconut Cove is a new space overlooking Central Park. This feels like they're adding more places just to hang out, not to just do stuff. And the Hideaway is expanding. That tells you people were using it a lot. And yeah, Category 6 is still here, now with a funnel raft slide. So they're still pushing that biggest water park at sea angle. But none of that is the real story. Because when you take a step back and look at all of this together, it doesn't feel random. It's intentional. All of these spaces and experiences, these are the kind of things that people naturally gravitate to. And what this ship is doing really well is building more of those moments. And this is where the treehouse comes into play. Because it's not just a room, it's a destination. It's something that people are going to plan their entire trip around. And once you start looking at the ship that way, a lot of the other changes start to make sense. At first glance, it feels like it's just more, but it actually changes the way you move through this ship, where you spend your time, what stands out, and what becomes part of your trip. Look, if you're trying to figure out which cruise line actually fits how you travel, not just what looks great on Instagram, take the quiz. It'll point you in the right direction. So here's what this means if you're looking at a ship like this. Demand is going to be high early. The standout experiences, those are going to get booked fast. And the rooms that people actually want, those go first. So if this ship is on your radar, you don't want to wait too long before you start planning it out. Hero of the Seas looks amazing, but the real story isn't just what's new. It's how cruising is evolving. And if you understand that, you're going to book way smarter. We're not stopping here. This Wednesday, 8 p.m. Central, we're going live and breaking down Norwegian Luna, another brand new ship. And it's in a completely different direction to Hero of the Seas. So if you want to see how new cruise ships are evolving across the industry, make sure you subscribe and turn the notifications on. And we'll see you Wednesday night.